मेरा नाम प्रज्ञा राज है। मैं नवादा जिला बिहार राज्य से बोल रही हूँ। आप लोग विभिन्न राज्यों से हैं, फिर भी आप लोग इस सीरियल को बड़े पैमाने पर देख रहे हैं। पर मेरे दोस्तों, मैं भारत देश की बेटी, मुझे इस बात का गर्व है और इसलिए मैं आप सभी से वादा करती हूँ कि मैं एक न एक दिन देश के राष्ट्रपति जरूर बनकर दिखाऊंगी। मेरा नाम प्रज्ञा राज है, याद रखिएगा दोस्तों।
मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ, इसी विश्वास के सहारे मैं डॉक्टर स्नेहा माथुर आज यहाँ हूँ। मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ।
सबसे पहले तो इसका टाइटल ऐसा है, मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ। अगर हमारे समाज में महिलाएं कहना ही शुरू कर दे मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ, इट विल बी अ वेरी वेरी एम्पावरिंग। लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा, महिलाओं को अच्छा लगेगा।
Half the number of girls in India marry before their 18th birthday, and a mere 10% of them use family planning to avoid early pregnancy and space children. This adversely affects their health. Their vulnerability further intensifies with a lack of basic education. Domestic violence, sex selection, and deeply entrenched social practices. Population Foundation of India is using the power of entertainment education to alter and transform deeply entrenched social behaviors and promote women empowerment. Recognizing that gender norms, roles, and relations affect health outcomes, PFI conceptualized and initiated an entertainment education initiative, मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ, to address regressive practices. मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ. I, a woman, can achieve anything. A series that entertains, provides knowledge, expounds ideal behaviors, and challenges deep-rooted regressive practices. The series was scripted and directed by nationally acclaimed screenwriter, film and theatre producer and director फिरोज अब्बास खान।
फिरोज अब्बास खान के साथ काम करना हमारे लिए एक बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी और एक्साइटमेंट रहा, पर उनके साथ काम करने वो एक टीम मेंबर बन गए हमारे, केवल डायरेक्टर नहीं है सीरियल के, वो एकदम टीम मेंबर।
This series was produced after extensive research by PFI and guided by the well-known entertainment education expert Dr. Arvind Singhal. First aired in March 2014, the series is set in a small town called Pratappur. The story revolves around the inspiring journey of Sneha Mathur, a doctor working in Mumbai. Sneha's sense of family responsibility, along with her ability to respond to challenges around her, make her a role model for many young Indian women who face similar realities. Season 1 consisted of 52 episodes, dealt with age at marriage, sex selection, child marriage, delaying first pregnancy, birth spacing, and quality of healthcare. In Season 2, consisting of 79 episodes, Dr. Sneha decides to serve the community and improve their lives. It focuses on youth and their issues of concern. Nutrition, reproductive health, mental health, hygiene, and substance abuse. To get the message across to a large number of people and encourage engagement, a 360-degree communication approach was adopted. In addition to TV, mediums like the radio, mobile phones, and the net were used. On-ground outreach activities with partner NGOs were also launched. Celebrities and Bollywood personalities like Shabana Azmi, Sharmila Tagore, Soha Ali Khan, and Farhan Akhtar supported the initiative, giving it greater visibility and mass appeal.
जानी ही नहीं, कद्र अब तक तेरी तारीख ने जानी ही नहीं, तुझ में शोले भी हैं बस अश्क-फ़शानी ही नहीं, तू हकीकत भी है दिलचस्प कहानी ही नहीं, तेरी हस्ती भी है एक चीज जगानी ही नहीं, अपनी तारीख का उन्वान बदलना है तुझे, उठ मेरी जान मेरे साथ ही चलना है।
To say that the show was a success would be an understatement. Season 1 was watched by 58 million viewers on the television channel DD National. All India Radio broadcasted it through over 150 channels. More than 600,000 calls were received on the callback number. And one of the most heartening figures was that the show was watched and appreciated as much by men as women. An end-line evaluation in Bihar and Madhya Pradesh showed a positive shift in awareness and perception. Awareness of the Child Marriage Act among women and their mothers-in-law increased substantially. Perceptions about the ideal gap between two children increased. Women became more confident in accessing family planning services. They were now talking more openly to their husbands about using contraceptives. They were less hesitant in seeking advice from health workers about contraceptives. Fewer women now believed it was okay to be beaten by a husband if the wife went out without informing him. More women now believed that they can hold leadership positions in local government.
ये भी, मैं वो भी, मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ, मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ.
The series continues to inspire young women to assert themselves and believe that they are capable of achieving anything.